Hi guys, welcome back. First of all, I just want to say thanks to that one person who gave me feedback about my speech during the video recording. I really appreciate it because the whole purpose of me recording my Leetcode problem solving is because during the interview I am horrible at typing and talking and solving things at the same time, and I just want to practice this. And so thank you so much. Here is the problem for today is the market analysis. This was asked by Poshmark before. Poshmark is an online platform for people to buy and sell used item. And so here we have a users table with user ID, join date, favorite brand. We have an order table with order ID, order date, item ID, buyer ID, seller ID. And we have a items table with item ID and the item brand. Here's the question. Write a solution to find for each user whether the brand of the second item by date they sold is their favorite brand. If a user sold less than 2 items, report the answer for that user as a no. It's guaranteed that no seller sold more than 1 item in a day. So basically, people only sell once a day. Return the result table in any order, and here's an example of that. We have the users table. Okay, and we have the orders table, the items over here, and here's the output with the column name is seller ID, second item, favorite brand. Notice that this column start with a number, so we might want to put it in a quotation mark. All right, so let's go to work. My strategy would be to just rank the item ID by date for each seller ID, and then we filter out just to get the second item, and then we're going to do some left join and inner join with the other two table to get whether or not those are the second item is their favorite brand. All right, so let's go to work. Let's start with the order table first. So I'm going to call it rank item here as select seller ID, item ID, and we do a dense rank. Since they already gave the information that no seller don't sell more than 1 item a day, we can also use rank, but I'm just going to use dense rank just in case some test case that they don't adhere with that, order. We're going to do it by seller. Again, partition by, just like a group by, and ID, and we're going to do it order by order date. Okay, we're going to call it rank item. We're going to call it ranked just from the orders table. All right, and after that, we're going to find the second item. So we're going to select the seller ID and the item ID from the rank item where rank equal to. All right, so now we're going to write the main query, select user ID as the seller ID from and then we're going to do a case when the second item ID is item ID. I is the nickname I have for the items table later on. Then yes, else no, and we're gonna end this. We're gonna name it second. I don't remember, second item favorite brand from the users table U on left join, because there are people who have not sold 2 items yet, so we're going to do a left join with the second item table S on U dot user ID equal S dot sellers ID. So that's one part, and we're going to join with the items ID I on user dot favorite brand equal this I dot item brand. So this join is for me to get the item ID, where I use it up here to compare it against the second item that I have. Alright, so now I think that is it. Let's run it. Yay! Okay, so everything going well over here. Let's just submit it and see. Wrong answer. What is 11111? Oh no. Okay, we're going to use it as a test case and see why. Okay, so I found out where we got it wrong is because you see in this test case where I just had it wrong earlier, you can see this brand name and this are the same, which mean that so when you reread this items table again, the item ID is the primary key of this table, so just the ID is the primary key, which not this brand. And so now once we have the item ID of the second, we have to join it with the item table. So we have to join it with the item table and see what is the brand name, for that, and use that brand measure against the favorite brand of this user. Alright, so now we join the items on, so now that we don't do this, and now we have the second item, right? So the second item, ID equal to the I dot item ID. Alright, so now we have so now this one's going to change where if you dot, what is that column again? Favorite brand. Favorite brand equal the item dot brand name, item name, I think, item brand. So if the favorite brand equal the item brand, then yes, else no. We do a left join here as well. So that should, okay. So we'll have to do both do left join because it start with the users table. Alright, and now the moment of truth. Bam. B25. Okay, let's do it again, see if it's faster. Okay, now it'd be 87.5%. Anyway, hope you have a great time with me, and hopefully my pronunciation is better this time. Thank you again. I appreciate all the feedback, so keep it coming. And I will see you next time. Bye.